Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Realtime Stocks app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Realtime is a stock tracking and market monitoring app designed for traders and investors who want fast, accurate updates on market activity. The app delivers real-time price movements, detailed charts, market news, watch lists, and alerts so users can monitor stocks, ETFs, and other financial instruments throughout the trading day. It's available on both iOS and Android, offering a clean, data-focused layout that appeals to active traders. One of the main features of Realtime is its instant price updates and customizable alerts. Users can follow multiple stocks, set alerts for price changes or market events, and analyze movements with interactive charts. Many rely on its speed and responsiveness to stay ahead of sudden market shifts, especially during high volatility sessions. The app also compiles news from financial sources to help users understand why a stock may be moving. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in real-world use. Many users appreciate Realtime for providing fast updates, easy-to-read charts, and reliable alerts. The streamlined interface helps active traders stay focused on key metrics without unnecessary clutter. Investors who follow multiple tickers also benefit from custom watch lists and quick-access data panels. However, there are some drawbacks. Some features, like extended hour data, advanced chart tools, and premium alerts, may require a subscription. Users have also reported occasional syncing delays during peak market hours. Additionally, Realtime depends heavily on a stable internet connection, which can affect update speed in slower network areas. In summary, the Realtime app may be worth using if you want fast stock price updates, customizable alerts, and a clean interface for monitoring market activity. However, if you need advanced trading tools, in-depth analytics, or full brokerage functionality, you might find the free version limited. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.